Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the WhatsApp banned problem on a device. So if your WhatsApp account is banned, then it usually happens due to violating the WhatsApp terms or services commonly used by using the more apps, automation or suspicious behavior. Now to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to make sure that your device is connected to any kind of Wi-Fi or data. So after that, you just need to open WhatsApp and you just need to identify the type of ban. So there are two types of ban. They are temporary ban and permanent ban. Temporary ban means it usually takes 24 to 72 hours to fix it, but permanent ban means it is gone permanently. Secondly, you just need to stop using the WhatsApp mode. So if you are using the WhatsApp mode or APKs, then you just need to stop using it and you just need to uninstall the moded version and install the official WhatsApp account from Play Store or App Store. So by doing it, you will be able to use the WhatsApp again. And from the third option and the most important option is that you just need to upgrade the WhatsApp support. So open WhatsApp from any device and you just need to talk with the WhatsApp support team and you just need to tell them your issue that your account is banned and you just need your account back. So they will help you in a certain way in which you will be able to get your account back and fix the issue of account ban problem on WhatsApp. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of WhatsApp ban problem. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.